I want to break it, guys, and just show you. So you see it, but you can also see the steam coming. So when I break it, and now this is the filling in it, guys. Today, guys, I am doing plantain tart. Plantain tart is it's like a dessert. It's I would say a Jamaican dessert. Just gonna cut it up and put it in the water that I have boiling. A pinch of salt, just sort of grate it, break it up in the flour. The ice cold water here, I'm gonna pour it a little at a time. We're just going to put this to rest 20 to 30 minutes. Okay, so I'm just mashing the plantain. Wasn't so ripe, so I'm gonna add a little sugar to it, cinnamon, vanilla, beet powder you're used to. So this is the filling it's ready. I'm gonna start out with the shapes that you'll get. So you fold it over. I'm not finished with it yet, but this is what it looks like up close. Again for this one, let me make sure you can see it. So I have this one in the square. You're going to fold so that the opposite ends meet, and then I'm going to seal it with a fork. You can see what we have now. So we have long, I would say, on the very small product. Let me show you what it looks like. Nice and golden brown.